Hey there, let's learn how to change the cell and font color in Google Sheets. So I have a table in my spreadsheet and say I want to change the color of the cells for the headers. So I'll start by selecting the headers and then go to my toolbar and locate my paint bucket and then click on it. So here I'll come to the different colors and select a color of my choice. Say I want this color, and there you go. Our cells have changed color. But I could actually make it appear much better. I can still go back to the bucket and then say this time round let me select on black, and then I'll go to my text color, which presents as a capital A and a slash underneath it. Then click on it, and this time round let's choose white for our text to pop out, and there you go. So let's change the rest of the text color. We'll start by still selecting and dragging, and then come to the text color, click on it, then let's choose a color of our choice. Let's choose this one, click on it, and there you go. So it's super easy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it has been helpful. Please follow for more tips.